Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install our themes. It's fairly easy. So let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. On your dashboard, on the left-hand side, you will find Appearance. Click on it. And here, click Add New. On the next screen, click Upload Theme. And then click Choose File. In your download files, you will find Glister and a specific theme. We need to select the Glister because this is the framework and it needs to be installed first. So select Glister, then click Open. Now click Install Now. We will not activate Glister, so we will go to the theme space again by clicking Go to Theme Space, and we'll do the same. Click the Add New. Then click Upload Themes, then choose File. This time we will install the specific themes. For this tutorial, we choose Plumber Pro as our specific theme. So we are going to select it and click Open. Now we will click Install Now. This time we will click Activate. And on the next screen, you will find to install all the required plugin by clicking here. So we are going to click Begin Install Plugins, and here click here to select all the required plugin, and in the drop down select Install and click Apply button. This will install all the required plugins one by one, and it is really quick. Now we need to click Return to the required plugins installer. From here, click here to select them all again, but this time we will just activate them. So select Activate and hit the Apply button. So we're done. Let's see how our site looks like. We know it does not look like the demo, but it's fairly easy. In the next video, we will show you how to import demo content. But you see, installing our theme is fairly easy and it takes only a minute. See you on the next video.